Once upon a time, there lived a curious robot. His name was Cody. He went on many adventures with his buddy Tech. This is the story of his first Christmas.
This is the night, lovely and snowy, all the kids merrily play.
This is the time, full of joy and glee, in this holly jolly holiday.
Loved ones gathered around, singing dance all over town.
Jingle bells singing a sound.
Can't you hear it?
The Christmas time is here. Time is near, time for cheers. The most wonderful time of the year. Time for toys, time for joy, because Christmas time is